So here we are, drain team, in a lovely place called Tranmere. And up there at the top, that's St Catherine's Hospital. And all these green bins that are out are wasting the time because the bin men are on strike. Right, this is a HMO with a blocked gully. Hopefully it's going to be a very straightforward unblock. Here it is, the fender. Hopefully there's just leaves or something in there. Oh, happy day. Easy job, that one. Okay. So, I got a couple of buckets of water and wash this down. Give him a bit of value for money, eh? But that was a nice quick one. Let's go and get some buckets. What a lovely day it is. Look at that lovely blue sky. Cold though. Been a cold, very cold morning. It was at -2 this morning, which took a while to defrost the van, but I don't mind. Okay, put some disinfectant there as well. Oh, go on, we'll brush it up as well. On. Okay. You give me the landlords give me a key code, and you don't wait around for people to open the doors and stuff, because house of multiple occupancy, it's kind of handy to have your own access. That was nice and sweet, that one. Whew. So if you haven't seen inside the house of multiple occupancy, HMOs as they call them, they have a shared microwave, toaster, coffee machine, all the cooker, all the heating sorted for the whole house, and they have ensuite bathrooms, well, shower rooms. They have ensuite toilets and stuff for each room, so all very nice. If you like that kind of thing. Happy days. Okay, take a photograph for the landlord, and we'll be out of here any minute now. So basically that was just full of gunk there. If you liked the video, give us a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Say hello, tell me where you're from. Always answer comments, positive comments, always welcomed. And do us a favour, if you like the video, share it. Helps me grow the channel. And importantly, have a great rest of your day.